Hello everyone, here Joshua Dioba. Once again, welcome to our show and follow this video until the end. We will talk about our conference that took place here in Zalai, Abidjan on February 1st, but also about all the new achievements that have happened here. Same. First, we will talk about the extension of the packages that have allowed everyone to have a 50% share. Of course, until February 9th, you can invest in the ELECTROATOM project for packages ranging from $100 to $1,000. You automatically earn $50 investment steps that are returned to you. That's great news. We encourage everyone to participate, many of you. So we will talk about our partners who have reached a new level of specialists. This is Eli from Tron. From Amelie, who has reached the specialist level. Not to forget Bian Kosi, Dauda, Yame Ogo and Etienne, who have also reached the specialist level. And then we will also talk about our masters who have reached the master level. So I want to remind you here that there are 4 other people from Bian and all these other individuals who have reached the master level. We are proud of you, of the work you are doing in ELECTROATOM to achieve this status. We encourage you, we are proud of you. Keep working for the progress of ELECTROATOM. New achievement at ELECTROATOM. Now we will talk about the new achievements. Friends, as you know, our back office has improved. The back office that has improved works much faster and is much more efficient. As you can, we have also added the Vietnamese language for all those who want to have the package and who do not speak other languages, but only Vietnamese. They are given the opportunity to access the back office and see the Vietnamese language to acquire the investment package. And then, thirdly, we have very good news now. In the back office, you can buy a package and complete the verification later. In the past, we saw many people who couldn't acquire the package because they couldn't complete their verification. They didn't have all their documents. But now it is possible to buy the package and then complete the verification later. It's an achievement in ELECTROATOM, so don't hesitate to buy packages. And then after the conference on February 1st, the goal of the ELECTROATOM project now is to obtain patents and licenses to be able to enter the global market. So the first objective is to be protected in the global market and to enable all investors to be confident in the ELECTROATOM project and to invest their money. The third aspect is that ELECTROATOM will do everything to be much closer to its partners and investors. Friends, as you can see, the patent what guarantees the usefulness and effectiveness of our technology. So, what are you waiting for? Keep believing in ELECTROATOM. We do this work for you. And then, we want to wish a happy and prosperous new year to our brothers and sisters in Vietnam, the Vietnamese community. We haven't forgotten you. Happy New Year. Enjoy this lunar year, which is marked by lots of success. We want the work at ELECTROATOM to continue to thrive, that there are more investors and more partners. Happy New Year. We are together. It's family. Friends, for all those who attended the conference, they were able to see that the power plant is operating at 100% with 16 kW watts. Friends, I'm here to tell you that this is not just talk, it's a reality. It's something true. For all the people who didn't believe, the power plant is working, and very soon we will build factories that can provide up to 7,300 units. And all those people who want to acquire this power plant will be able to get it at a good price. Friends, as you can see on February 1st, We had a successful conference, our very first conference here in Côte d'Ivoire, in Abidjan, at the Azalai Hotel, which was marked by success. A lot of people came, they were satisfied, and we're even waiting for comments on this video. Don't hesitate, if you were present, feel free to share your thoughts. That was ELECTROATOM, that's all for today. Thank you, and goodbye.